Hi everyone, welcome back to the LYNQ kitchen. Today we are making hummus using our Empowdered fruit and vegetable blend.
Today we're going to make a basic hummus recipe, and if you guys message us and let us know what types of flavors you want, then the next time we make a hummus recipe we can add either roasted red peppers or beets or something of the sort. So let us know what you guys like. So the first step is boil the chickpeas a little bit just to soften them. For now we're going to keep the water because we might need to use some. So we're going to take our chickpeas and just put them in a Cuisinart. We are going to add 1 clove of garlic. We are going to start with, this is 1.5 lemons. We're going to start with 1.5. We're going to do 1 spoon of Empowdered. So this is tahini. We're going to start with 1 tablespoon, and this is the type of recipe that you really have to just sort of taste as you go along and see what flavors you like. I'm also going to put a pinch of salt, and again we're just going to start with a pinch and we'll go from there. And we are going to take the liquid from the chickpeas and we're going to add part of it back in. So now that we have all the ingredients, we are just going to blend it until it's really smooth. And there you have it. Amazing hummus. Enjoy! Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.